So I'm testing out the new microphone and keeping eye contact, looking at you, and I'm trying to get to know my camera, looking at see how things working. So I'm talking right now, the microphone is attached on the top of the camera, trying new mode, got the light there, the natural light is white, turn off the other natural lights, the soft light there, and also have a light behind me here. I'm gonna turn it on and see how that looks, and so I can compare it. So as you can see, there's the light there, and then I'm gonna move the camera a little bit here, see if that would make any difference here. Then zoom in, zoom out. So there's zoom out, zoom in, see my face there. Looks pretty good. So I'm gonna do, right now I'm pressing on the, is it glitter mode there? Press on, hopefully that will be better. And then, so I just pressed the, I think it's auto AI helping make things brilliant here. Looking at the camera directly, the lens, hopefully that will help me make sure giving eye contact to the audience. And I'm going to turn off this light here, see if that makes any difference. Once again, the microphone is on, and it looks like we got what do you call it, it's more bright light here, and I don't know if that is better or not, and whether I should just stand. Right now I'm leaning behind the chair and I'm leaning forward, and let me see if I can defocus in the back there. So right now it's defocus mode. So I just pressed the defocus mode. Want to make sure the background is blurry, and that's what I want. I want the audience to be focusing on me instead of this being distracted from the background there. I'm going to move to the left, to the right, while I'm maintaining eye contact. So defocus mode, light in the back is turned off, and one light above me, the bright natural light, white light, and not the natural light is on. Let's see what it looks like. And again, it's defocus mode. Let me press on the other one. It's like a sun icon there. So bright, let me see, what's that look like? Looks like that will make things brighter on the brightness. And then here it's dark. I probably want things to be probably normal, or at least in the mid. And I'm back to the defocus on the background again. All right, let me look at this and see where we're at.